In a moment ripped from a nightmare, a man goes on a chainsaw rampage through the streets of Sparks. Citizens flee, officers rush in, and what should have been containment turns into chaos. Bodycam captures the terror, the desperation, and the split-second decision to open fire. When the threat is that close, there's no room for hesitation. This isn't just another police chase, it's a pursuit watch.
911, what's the address of the emergency?
2405 Victorian Avenue.
2405 Victorian Avenue, is this the Motel 6?
Yes.
And what room number?
Yes. It's at the front desk. There's
At the office?
there with the chainsaw trying to cut the table and stuff.
Trying to cut what?
Front desk. With the chainsaw, he's trying to cut the table. Somebody right
Okay, hold on. So he's trying to cut a table at the office with the chainsaw?
Yeah, he has a chainsaw. He's on. He cut the door open and stuff.
Okay, is the office open right now?
Yes, he's inside.
Okay, and are you an employee?
Yes, I'm one of the owners.
Okay, do you know who this person is? Is he a tenant?
I have no clue.
Okay, and is he white, black, Hispanic, or Asian?
I believe he's Hispanic.
Hispanic male? How old do you think? 20, 30, 40?
I'm not sure. Can you help, please?
Yeah, while I'm talking to you, someone else is going to dispatch my officers, but I want to give him a description. What is he wearing? What color shirt or jacket?
I didn't see it because I ran away.
Okay, is someone there have a visual of him? Do you still see him in the office?
Yeah, I'm on the back, in my back apartment. He's outside.
Okay, so where is he? He's got a gray shirt. Does he still have the chainsaw?
Yes.
Okay. Does he look drunk or on drugs?
I have no clue.
Okay, does he look like he's got a mental illness or anything?
What was that?
So you don't know if he's drunk or on drugs. What's he doing right now outside?
I'm not sure. He's just yelling with the chainsaw.
Okay.
He might be drunk. He's basically going up to the gas. He's actually outside with the chainsaw.
Okay, so he's outside the office?
Hispanic. Yes, he's Hispanic, probably in his 30s.
Okay, so Hispanic male, 30s. He's got on a gray shirt. What color pants?
I am not sure.
Okay, and what is your name?
My name.
Okay, and where are you located?
I'm right in the office.
Okay, so you're back in the office?
Yeah.
Okay, are you locked in the office?
As soon as he ran out the office, I locked the door again, so he couldn't get back in.
Okay, so you've locked yourself in the office, and is anyone injured?
I don't believe so.
Okay.
The furniture and stuff.
Okay, and do you see him still right outside the office?
Yes.
Okay.
Parking lot, yeah.
So he's now in the parking lot? And is the chainsaw still running, or is he just holding it?
I'm pretty sure it's still running.
Okay. And is he going after anybody, or just wandering the parking lot?
No, he's basically knocking on doors and stuff.
So he's knocking on doors, different motels' doors?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. Can you tell what room or what area of the hotel he is? Is he like the backside?
He's right at the front desk.
So near the front desk again?
The police car. I see the police car.
Okay, you see the officer?
Yeah, they just pulled up.
Okay, and is your phone number the
Yes.
Okay, and did you see any other weapons besides the chainsaw?
He's in that car. He's in that car. That green.
He's in a green car?
He's in that that car.
What car?
I'm talking to the police officer.
Okay, you got into a green car?
Yeah, the police officer, I believe they got him.
Okay, all right, I'll go ahead and let you go. Just stay in the office and we'll come talk to you when we've got things settled, okay?
Motel 6, the clerk last saw the suspect knocking on doors near the office.
Sparks are 91, 23.
91.
Where'd he go? Where's he at? Stop! Stay there! Bowie! Stop it! Sparks 91, he's taking off on us. Sparks 91, he just crashed into our car. Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Stop! Stop! He's not going anywhere.
Would you have reacted faster, slower, or differently? Let us know your strategy.
Shots fired. Don't get behind his car.
Get back, Tom. Don't get back.
Officers are code 4. He's into the brick wall at the smog shop.
Stay back. Stay back.
We're good.
Get back.
Is he moving? Don't get behind the car. No. Stay here. Manos, arriba!
Give him verbals. Just keep giving them. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Trade me spot.
Okay. I can't see him. Can you see him? Fuck.
Where's he at? Where's he at?
Easy, sir.
Where is he at?
I think they're over there. Yeah, they're here right now. I see them. All righty. Thank you.
Stop! Police! Let me see your hands! Don't fucking drive, man! Stop the car! Stop the fucking car! Stop the fucking car! She's reversing this, wrecked into my vehicle. Shots fired. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! He's got the gas on his foot on the gas. He's got his foot on the gas. Be careful.
Is he moving?
I don't know. I can't tell. Let me see your hands!
¡Manos arriba!
Déjame ver las manos. Apaga el carro ahorita. Apaga el carro.
Give him verbals. Just keep giving.
Déjame ver las manos. Apaga el carro ahorita.
Can you see him?
I cannot. He's down. Watch out, he's got that gas on the foot. Señor, déjame ver las manos. Apaga el carro ahorita. Señor, déjame ver las manos. Glove up, brother. Or you want me to glove up?
Yeah, I got it. You glove up.
Everybody's loaded up. They need to go inside. Everybody needs to go inside.
He's lay down, LT.
Back off! Back off! Hey, back off! Back off!
Back off!
Off the car! Back off! Back off! Back off the car!
LT, it's occupied by one Hispanic male.
Hey, back off the car! Get red lethal, long guns, and all that. Alright, we'll do it from our side. You guys cover us. Let me glove up, bro. You're gonna be my lethal going up too. We're gonna grab him and yank him out of the car.
Copy.
If it's open.
Copy.
Alright, here we go. First police! First police! Let go, let go, let go. He's done. He's done. Back off, back off, back off. Medical aid, come on. Medical aid, CPR, start now.
You're in cuffs.
Did you shoot?
Yeah.
Okay, back off.